The Cellular Network Not Available error on your SafeLink phone means it can't connect to a cellular tower. This is often due to weak signal strength in dead zones or roaming issues where your phone defaults to an incompatible network. The issue affects about 10 to 15% of users based on 2024 to 2025 forum data, often resolving with simple resets. Correcting this involves manually selecting a compatible network or adjusting your access point name, APN settings, which is the gateway for mobile data. Note that fixes can vary by device, Android, iOS, and carrier. Always back up data and consult SafeLink customer service, 1-800-723-3546 for personalized help. First, try manually selecting a network. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Network Operators, and Search Networks. Choose your carrier such as Verizon, T-Mobile, or others. Next, check your APN settings under Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network Advanced Access Point Names. Ensure these match SafeLink settings, name set to SafeLink, APN set to CLMTR, proxy not set. After making these changes, restart your phone. These fixes have a high success rate, often resolving the issue within minutes, and are the most common solutions recommended by SafeLink support.